Hey friends, today I have here with me the Mini Sweet Surprise O-Matic dolls. These are really fun capsules to open. They have 9 surprises and feature so many candy themed dolls. So let's get started. The zipper's all the way over here. Okay, here's our capsule. I'm not gonna look at the sticker because I don't want to see which doll I have. I don't know what this is. Baby steps, our collector's guide, and the doll. We're gonna take this out. Let's take this out. Okay, we have all our surprises. There are 2 surprises here at the bottom. Ooh, we have a stand for the doll and this one. These are some really cute bunny ears. How I like to do it, I just push these and they come out, kind of like a vending machine. Let's try number 1. There we go, it came out. Let's see what it is. It's the dress. It says Peeps and it's polka dot with like little peep designs. I will open number 2. Oh, this one isn't working. Got it. Oh no, it's smushed. Okay, what is it? It's a cute Peeps backpack. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, now let's open number 3. Inside, we're all the same. Let's open number 4. Here it is. Whoa, it's a rainbow polka dot Peeps bottle. Number 5. Well, maybe this one's not gonna work. Let's try number 6. Yeah, both of them aren't working. Oh well, I guess we'll just have to open it. Okay, this one. Oh, why is there only one shoe? Are we missing a shoe? Here's the other shoe. Oh my god, look at our cute little pink Peeps doll. She's so cute. She has pink glittery hair and a really cute bathing suit kind of set. Let's go dress her up. BRB. Okay, I'm back, and here's our BB all dressed up. She looks super cute, especially with this cute pink Peeps bag. Okay, let's go check the collector's guide to see what her name is and what her water surprise is. Oh wow, look at all these candy-themed dolls. Okay, oh, here's her doll. Her name is Cute Bunny. Oh, and she's a rare.
Bloopers.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.